Hello everyone, welcome to Healthy Recipes. Today I'm going to show you the recipe for tomato chickpea omelette. This is a vegetarian omelette and it's very healthy since we're using chickpea. It's also really tasty. It can be had either as a breakfast item or you can have it during your evening time snack. The ingredients are very simple. I'm 100% sure that you will have all these ingredients available at your home. So let's go ahead and look at the recipe for the tomato chickpea omelette. For this you need 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt as per your taste. I'm using a new ingredient in this. It's chaat masala, 1 teaspoon. It really adds a lot of zest and taste to this omelette. 1 tomato and 1 onion coarsely chopped, 2 cups of chickpea flour or besan, coriander nicely chopped, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, a couple of green chilies nicely chopped, and garlic nicely chopped. And then to mix everything together we have water. So I'll be using about 1 cup of water for all the ingredients. To start, we'll add the 2 cups of chickpea flour to a bowl. To that I'm adding 1 teaspoon of red chili, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt as per the taste, and chaat masala 1 teaspoon. Now I'll use water to mix it in, and before that I'll also add the 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Now we'll mix it into a nice consistency that is smooth. Usually when we are mixing in chickpea, a lot of lumps appear, and so I use a stirrer which is available in the market. This very easily gets all the lumps out and makes the mixture really smooth in its consistency before we add all the ingredients. So I have gone ahead and added the tomatoes and the onions. Now I'll add the green chilies and the garlic and then the coriander and mix in nicely so that it gets all stirred in and adds flavor to the batter. The batter is now ready. I've heated a pan which is a dosa pan, and I'm going to use this to cook this mixture. Now I have spread it out. I spread it out evenly with most of the ingredients in the center, and I try to spread it out in such a way that we are able to get each and every part of this particular omelette cooked. I add a little bit of oil. Since it's a non-stick pan, it's the very minimum of it, and about 5 minutes you can flip it and you can see the color on the bottom. It looks very nice. It's cooked. Another 5 minutes and you can flip and see. You'll see each and every part of it cooked. Let's just review the process one more time. I'm spreading out the mixture, and while doing so making sure that I'm not spreading a very thick layer. And once it's nicely spread out for about 5 minutes, I let it cook. Then moving it around the sides, flip it and cook the other side really well, just lightly pressing down. And when you flip it, you'll notice that it has nicely cooked. And there we have it. Tomato chickpea omelette is ready to eat. I hope you like my recipe. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you.